Hello, welcome in everybody. My name is Big J, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the Stream Deck Plus. That's right, the Stream Deck Plus. So let's begin. As you can see, it's in a nice little packaging, as they always do. What it comes with is the user guide, of course, the instruction on how to set it up, and then we have these nice little dials, which people call them knobs. At the very top, you have the keys, which you're gonna have 8 keys, and just like previous Stream Decks, they tend to be really, really nice. Not too sticky. They're, you press them and they function really well. Not as quiet as you may want them to be, but they come in handy. Um, you also have the middle panel, which is a touchscreen. I really love that. That I feel is a game changer. Is going to be a game changer. The dials at the bottom. Not only can you turn them, but you can press them as well. So imagine when you have a lot of different audios, you can adjust them on the fly. And if you want to maybe press play, you can either press the dial or you can press the panel. And I think that that is really cool. So, like, imagine having your audios and you want to press um, play on something, or if you want to change the volume, you can just turn it. And I think that that is really cool. Um, this is just a quick little unboxing of it, but feel free to smash that like button and subscribe if you like this. And if you would like to see more, make sure you come back and get ready for the next video. Till next time, thank you guys and have a great day.